My name is Daria Zabacka, immigration lawyer from Warsaw, Poland. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about what to do once you received negative decision for your visa. Submitting your files to consulate or embassy and applying for visa does not guarantee you positive outcome. Unfortunately, more and more applicants receiving negative decision. What to do next once you receive negative decision? You need to be aware that you have right for reconsideration of your application by the consulate. Most of the foreigners and visa applicants call it appeal process, although according to Polish law, this is the request for reconsideration of your visa application by consulate. According to Polish law and Act on Foreigners from 2012 and further amendments, you have right for reconsideration of your visa application. For requesting reconsideration of your visa application, you have 14 days from the day you picked up negative decision. You need to be aware that decision of issuing or refusing your visa application is a sole competence of the individual consulate on the territory of country where you are living. That means that only consul has a right for issuing or refusing your visa application on the territory of country where you are applying. As I said before, you will have 14 days for applying for reconsideration of your visa application to the consul which issued you the negative decision. After that, consul has 7 days for the final decision regarding your visa application. In the case that your reconsideration of the visa application got rejected again, according to Polish law from 2 years, you have right to file a complaint to the Provision Court of Administrative Procedure based in Warsaw. For this process, you will have 30 days from the date when you received your final negative decision from the consulate. You need to be aware as well that this request to the administrative court in Warsaw, you will need to file through the consulate which issued you negative decision. What I noticed, many of applicants for a visa to Poland has a doubts who is actually applying for reconsideration of your visa application after negative decision. In the case if you applied for visa type D, national visa, to work in Poland, you as an applicant is responsible to apply for reconsideration of your visa application to consulate. You need to be aware that Polish employer which gonna hire you on the territory of Poland is not responsible for preparing your visa reconsideration application to consulate. Letter which will be prepared by the Polish company is just a supporting document. You as an applicant for getting visa to work in Poland or for other purposes, you are responsible to prepare letter from your side which will be addressed to the consulate where you gonna request for reconsideration of your visa application which got rejected. So even if you will receive supporting letters from your employer sites, for example, the letters will be stating that your employer is still waiting for you to come and start work in Poland, this is not the only letter which you're gonna submit. Prepare as well additional letter from your side which you're gonna address to Polish consulate which rejected your visa application. In the letter from your side as an applicant, you're gonna describe your individual situation. Make sure that you describe all the supporting documents which you attach to the file with visa application. So as a conclusion, remember one more time, letter which is gonna be prepared by your Polish employer is not the only letter which you're gonna submit to consulate once you want to reconsider your visa application. Prepare a strong letter describing your individual situation, which will be the actual letter which will request consulate for reconsideration of your visa application. Hope this video was helpful.